Hey, my name's Andy Barlow. I wanted to leave a quick review about the LIA coaching program. So I joined the program about 4 months ago in February. I had been in the land business for about 8 months prior to that. And when I started, everybody told me to take massive imperfect action. They just said, go big, take massive imperfect action, and you'll get big results. And so that's what I did. I took huge action, came out of the gate just sending just tons of mail. And long story short, I just failed. I I spent a ton of money on marketing and just was not really seeing any results. And so by the end of 2022, I had invested a lot. I felt demoralized. I felt like a failure. I thought there was something wrong with me. I saw all these people around me succeeding, but I couldn't seem to get any traction. And so, yeah, when I came to Sumner, um, it was kind of like a last hope. I just came and I told him my story, and I had probably spent 50 or 60 grand at this point in marketing and things like that, and didn't have anything to show for it. And I was just ready to quit. But I saw what Sumner was doing. I kind of saw some of the stuff he was putting out on YouTube, and I realized that I had some major gaps in my understanding of this business. And when I started to see what he was doing, it just intuitively resonated with me. It made sense to me as a way forward. And so I joined, and I just for the last 4 months I've just been executing every single week, just sort of doing the basic principles that he teaches in the course about market selection and pricing and mailing, things like that. And long story short, just in the course of 4 months of executing on this strategy, I have completely gotten into the black. I've become profitable for the first time. I've had two months now where I netted over 30,000 in profits. And it's just crazy because I just think about where I was 4 months ago and I was ready to quit, and I thought I couldn't do this business. And the community that Sumner has built and the education that he's put together has really turned my business around. The kind of support you get in this community, the kind of equipping you get is, I really don't think there's anything else out there like this. And so I can't thank Sumner enough, and for the whole community that he's built. And so if you're thinking at all about getting into this business, I would just highly recommend you join the LIA coaching program. It truly is second to none, and the community is just incredible. So yeah, that's kind of my story, and I hope it just helps give you some insight into the path that I've been on. And if you're in a place where you're kind of struggling or wondering if you can do this, I'm living proof that if you just commit and you consistently execute on the things that Sumner teaches, you'll find success.